So over here you can see that I am in a composite shot right here and I have a video right here. So one of the ways you can mask out your videos is by using the Bezier Curves right here. First of all, let's just go around and select out the free mask tool right here and click right here. I'm just going to go around and make a few clicks right here, and what you can do is you can close it and there you go. There's a mask right here as you can see. You can go around and click anywhere else and you can add in another points as well and make adjustments right here to the mask. Or you can go around and select out a point and hit the delete key to delete the mask as well, or add it in over here as well, just like this. So this is what you have as you can see. You can also go around and then let's say for example make curves for your mask. So to do that you need to go around onto the free mask tool itself and click right here just like this and click and drag to make out the curve right here. Click and drag and click and drag and click and drag and click and drag, and you can see that you make out curves right here. You can go around and delete this and you can add in the point right here just like this, and you can see that there's this handle that allows you to go around and control out the curve right here just like this. So you can go around and pull this out, then you can go around and pull this, you can rotate it out right here, pull this out over here, you can go around and push this in right here just like this and get the shape you want. You can go around and click and add in details as you wish over here just like this as well. So that is what you have. You can go around and pull this, you can go around and pull this, you can go around and pull this, and so forth. As you can see right here, you can go around and pull this and pull this, click and drag it out, push this in, and so forth. As you can see, just like that. And that is how you can go around and mask using the Bezier Curves. And what you can also do is you can go around onto mask and change out anything as you wish. Like you can go around and do the expansion as you can see right here. You can go around with the feather right here, change around the feather length just like this. You can go around, increase and decrease the feather length right here just like this, and work around with the transforms as well. So that is how you can utilize the Bezier Curves inside of HitFilm in order to create masks. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.